Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are going to see one Olympiad problem. The question is given: if x cube is equal to root 5 minus 2, then find the value of x power 5 plus x to the power of minus 5 over 2x plus 1. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500, 700 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here given x cube is equal to root 5 minus 2. Now 1 by x cube is equal to 1 by root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2 over root 5 plus 2. So here root 5 plus 2 over root 5 whole square minus 2 square. So here you'll get root 5 plus 2 power 5 minus 4. So here you'll get root 5 plus 2 reciprocal. Now 1 by x cube minus x cube, we are subtracting both these two. So here you are getting root 5 plus root 2, root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2. So root 5 it cancel, you are getting 4. Now a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b whole cube minus plus 3ab of a minus b is equal to 4 you are taking. Now substitute ab values here 1 by x minus x whole cube plus 3 into both values will cancel, 1 by x minus x equal to 4. From this 1 by x minus 1 by x minus x common, 1 by x minus x common, here 1 by x minus x whole square plus 3 is equal to 4. Now 1 by x minus x is equal to 1, or 1 by x minus x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of I root 15 by 2. So here we are getting two values for 1 by x minus x. From this 1 by x minus 1 is equal to x. So adding x on both sides, x plus 1 by x minus 1 equal to 2x, x plus 1 by x equal to 2x plus 1. Adding x on both sides. From this you'll get x square plus 1 by x square value will get here 3, and here x power 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 value will get 7. Now replace these values in the given equation. What is required here? x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of minus 5 over 2x plus 1 now. So here x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of minus 5 over, so this value you can write it as x plus 1 by x. Now if you solve this, x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of minus 5 by x square plus 1 by x. So this can be written as x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 minus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 now. So here x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 value is 7. X square plus 1 by x square value is 3 plus 1. The answer is 8 minus 3, 5. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.